Greetings, y'all. Greetings, my brothers and my sisters out there. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing good. It's a beautiful Sunday. I've been out here working in the yard and, just doing some stuff. Not a whole lot today, but doing some stuff. I kind of take a little break. I take a little break for a couple of days. I didn't do nothing much. So today I decided to come out and do a little stuff out here. So I'll walk around and show you, what I've been doing. Just pulling some weeds from my plants, cleaning up my garden and all that stuff. Yeah, just cleaning and, those weeding. The hands are marching back to their place. It's amazing how these hands, they just come together. I mean, you just imagine if we as a people would come together like how I see these hands. They just follow each other and they just go about their business, I guess, go look food, and then they come back and go right back to their place, their home, what they call home. You see what I'm saying? Yes. Yes, we got a lot of rain yesterday, a lot of rain, and the plants are happy today. Pray for sunshine. Sunshine came. Beautiful day. Yes, it's a beautiful day. So I wanted to show you some you call it, most people call it cactus, but I call it tuna because I grew up with this in Jamaica, and in Jamaica they big too, big, nice and tunas. So you can say cactus because that's what you call it, most people, but we call it tuna. Yeah. So I want to show you how nice. And what we went down to Accra one day. We went to Accra and I saw this by the road and I broke off a little piece, maybe a little piece like this top piece right here, and I carry it, and every time I go down there I break off a little piece, so I end up with all these, a lot of it now. And this thing here is so good for us, so good for us. These tuna, you get these, and you know what? Honestly, these don't even have the thorns on it. Like, it seems like as they get bigger, the thorns, all of them come off. So nice, but it's nice, and I can rub my hands on it. It's really smooth, really smooth. But growing up in Jamaica, what we used to do is take these, slice it down, and use it to wash your hair. Oh my goodness, this make your hair feel so good, guys. I'm telling you, y'all need to use this to wash your hair. This thing here is very good. I am telling you, man, amazing how you can slice this tuna and it sort up your hair, wash it, and man, you wash it a couple times with it, sort it up a couple times, wash it. You can get a couple of them because if you grow this, you can use any amount you want in your ear. It's very good. You can, man, the gel of it, you can use the scrape it out, the inside of it, slice it down, scrape it out, put it in your blender with your orange juice or your grape juice, and this, you can make a nice drink from it. It's very good, very good. Just make your drink, get some ice in it, and put some little, after you do that, you can even put the ginger, put the orange juice and the ginger, or if you want to do grape juice, but get the fresh orange or the fresh grapefruit and squeeze it and make juice with it, put some ginger in it, and you'll see how delicious it is. And you know what, I was watching a YouTube video, and I'm trying to remember the guy name. He's on YouTube. He comes on Food Network. He's from Ethiopia, and I think he was adopted, and I can't remember the country where he was living, but he's in New York and he's on Food Network. So he travels around, and don't remember his name, but when I remember his name, we'll put it in there. Very nice guy. Go around these restaurants, and he was in New York, where the Guyanese in Queens, he was there checking out those places, the restaurants and stuff like that. Good food, Guyanese food that they do there. And then he went to Chicago. And when he was in Chicago, I did not know so many Mexicans lives in Chicago, and they've been there for many, many years. I mean, many, many years. The Mexican, they've been coming there working and working hard and, you know, doing a lot of things. So they have their restaurants and all that stuff, because Mexicans love these things. Cactus, they love it, because I work with this lady from Mexico. She was a manager, and I was telling her that I have these, and she said, oh, we eat them. And the guy that went to the restaurant, what they do with these is, you know, you take off the thorns off of them, wash them properly, and slice them up and grill them. That's what they were doing at the restaurant, grill them. And I tell you, he's saying it was amazing. And I just imagine, because these tunas, you can just slice them up, clean them up, slice them up, and curry them also. Curry them with your onions, your thyme, your green onion, purple onion, yellow onion, and all the stuff, your bell peppers and all this stuff. Or what you can do with all that stuff, cut up everything and just put it on the grill. All right. And when you're doing this, you don't saute it. What you do with the curry is burn the curry in the pot. Burn the curry with some ginger in the pot. Real good, and you get that flavor from it. Or you can, instead of the curry, you can put turmeric, or you can mix the curry with the turmeric together, all of that together, and just burn it. And after you finish, then you just pour everything inside of it and saute everything together. Very nice. I'm telling you, this is really good for you. This thing here, even a woman that is pregnant, this thing is very good for them to eat it. Very good for them to eat it and drink it. Make drink and drink it. And what you also could do, when I was in Florida, I used to do this for Brother Lance and I. What I used to do is clean these off, slice them down, and put them in glass bottle with water. Oh my goodness, put it in the refrigerator. Take it to work with me with my big bottle, and give him big bottle to take to work. And we drink this. Very good for you, good for pain in your knee and anywhere. This thing is very, very good for you. Very, very good for you. So I'm telling you, ladies that out there pregnant, get this thing, get a nice glass bottle, not plastic bottle now, get a glass bottle, wash it off good, slice it down nice, put it in your glass bottle, put it in your refrigerator. Get up in the morning, you're going out to work, you grab 1 or 2 bottles, take it to work with you. You can make your juice with this. Even this, you cut it up, you put your pineapple, you put your ginger, anything you want in it, and make a nice drink out of it. The thing is very healthy for you. Your blood pressure, you know, all that stuff. Make sure you do that. Blood pressure, your blood sugar and all that stuff. Use this thing. Use it a lot. Get some of it and plant it. It's very, very good, very healthy for you. You can research on it, because this is something we've been using for many, many years. And I'm right under the 60. So I know for a very long time, growing up as a little girl, I know how to go outside, cut this thing, slice it down, and wash my hair. Oh my goodness. When I finish with my hair and rinse my hair, beautiful, feel silky, feel nice, and all that stuff is very good. And I will come back and talk again about this, because I want you to use this thing, because it's very healthy. I know in Florida they have it in the Caribbean store. I plant it. I see my son have a big one in his backyard, huge, and you know, he grows some fruits on it. All these things can eat. Don't waste it. These things bear fruits. Eat it. Eat it. I'm telling you, very, very good for you. Please do it. Take the little fruits that they bear when they're ripe, put them in your blender, blend it, and make juice. Drink it with ginger and whatever you want, pineapple, whatever you want, to put it with a piece of mango and all that stuff, and make you a nice drink. All these things, we waste them. Look how many I have here. Waste these things and we don't use them. It's very, very healthy for us. Very healthy. I hope you enjoy this little video, guys. It's amazing what is here from creation for us to use. Nature is very beautiful. It gives us everything that we need. I mean, everything. You see the mango leaves and all that stuff. We'll come back and talk about the mango leaves and the avocado leaves and all these beautiful things that we have, and we're wasting and we're not eating it. Even the bamboo, the root of the bamboo that's sprouting out, the young ones. We're going to talk about those things. These things are very healthy for us to eat, and we have to keep ourselves strong and healthy, people. You know, take care of ourselves. Health is our wealth. So we take care of ourselves and love ourselves. You know, self-care, self-love is very important, guys. So I want you to try this out. Do it. Make your salad. Even these, you know, you cut these up. Get the little ones. Get these little ones and clean them up, wash them out, and make salad. Make your nice salad. You make your arugula salad with your tomato and all that stuff and all the other stuff that you like in your salad, and cut up some of these and enjoy it with your onions and all that stuff. It's very, very healthy, and I hope you try this, and I hope you enjoy this little video. I love you guys very much, and thank you for your feedback and all the good stuff. And please share this out with your friends and family. Subscribe and like this video, and you know, just give me your feedback and tell me what you think and if you try it and all the good stuff. Much love to you. You know, peace, and be safe anywhere you're at. Be safe and just take care of yourself. Remember to take care of grandma, grandpa, mom and dad, and the children. They are very important. We have to look out for the children and keep them safe, please. And take care of yourself, because if you can't take care of yourself and love yourself, you're not going to be able to take care of anyone else. So much love to you all. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon. Bye.